Jigsaw and then Macho. They're about to fight right now. Let's see who wins between those two. Are you ready, guys?
Make the first move, fucker.
Are you ready, Nacho Man?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, Jigsaw? Will I do that again? Nice. Marks. You want some nachos before this?
No, I don't.
Alright, what about you, man? Holy shit, you fucking scary.
Yeah, he wants the cheese.
Alright, round one. Fight. Oh. Come on! Come on!
You can't fight with shit. Sneak Mario.
El Toro. Come on! What is this, guys? Who? Damn, Nacho Man is strong now. Holy shit, dude.
You saw a pig.
Ooh. Ow. Oh. Come on! What is this? Time out. Nacho Man. What's wrong, dude?
Nacho needs a break.
No, Nacho needs a break, man. Nacho needs some nachos, some chile verde, so you could get him, beat him up, man.
No.
Wait, you're not even. Wait, yeah, whatever. You. Hey. Come on.
I think he is really.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Get over here. Don't be a pussy. Dude, I'm sorry. I was just telling. Dude.